Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to compare capsules versus flips. So I've only recently started using flips and I really like the detail you get when you have a coin in the flip. You can see every bit of detail, you don't get much reflective kind of glares like you do with the capsules. It's almost as if you're holding the actual coin because you could almost pretty much feel the metal through the plastic. So I really like these flips. I think that's what they're called. I think that's what people call them. Coin flips, coin holders. Not too sure. Like I said, I've only recently started putting coins in them. And I just like the fact that the coin's really well protected. And you've got the option of writing something on the side if you want to label it, how much you paid for it, whatever you want to put on the edge. And yeah, like I said, it feels like you're actually holding the coin still. However, with a capsule, they rattle around a little bit unless you get like perfect fitting capsules. And when you're trying to film them or look at them, they just glare. So you're kind of forced to pop them out the capsule, and that kind of defeats the object because you've got a chance of dropping them or scratching them or getting dust in the capsules or things like that. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think is the best. Now, the flips that I'm using are these. I got them on eBay for like £2, and I think that was including delivery as well. So really cheap, 25 of them in there. And I just literally searched the biggest size I could find, so it fitted pretty much every coin that I have. They look like this, and these ones are self-adhesive. So you literally fold them in half. When you're ready, you pull off this layer here, put the coin in, and then you close it and it seals it. So really easy to use. And like I said, I've really started to warm to these just because I think it's like almost holding the actual coin. And like I said, when you're looking at it closer, you don't get the glares, and it makes it really good for making YouTube videos. So I think I am going to start putting more coins in these flips. Now, don't get me wrong, the capsules definitely protect the coin better. If you drop them, it's really well protected. However, this is only kind of like a thin plastic going over the coin, so it's not as well protected. Say there was like a sharp object went across there, that would actually damage the coin and the plastic. However, with the actual plastic on these, it won't get damaged. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I've got a few more coins here in capsules to show you. I thought I'd showcase them while I've got them out of the vault, so to speak. Number of different ones here, different years. Britannia's, I've got a 25th anniversary Krug silver maple there. Really nice looking coins, one of my favorite coins. Really nice. I think sometimes when you have these kind of special year commemorative type bullion coins, it spoils it, but that's really nicely done, I think. 2013. So yeah, really good way of protecting your silver is by putting them in capsules. But as you can see, they're really hard to film because you do get that glare, and it's not like holding an actual coin. Whereas what I've found with these is when you hold them, they're actually like holding the coin. You can actually almost feel the metal through them, and you see it's almost like holding the actual coin. So yeah, it's kind of just a little discussion I wanted to put out there. What do you prefer to do? Do you prefer to put your coins in capsules, or do you prefer to put them in flips? Storage wise, I think it's very similar. These could be stored in a box in a row like that. Capsules, although they're a bit thicker, you can still store them kind of fairly easy. You are kind of losing quite a bit of space with the excess plastic either side. So I suppose you could say these are actually better for storage. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you prefer capsules or flips, or do you prefer just a tube and you just chuck all your coins in a tube? You're not too fussed about them getting a few scratches here and there. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.